When I look up, if my lashes don't touch my eyebrows when I look up, I don't want them. And that's on period. Period. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, the sun is coming. Yay! Amen. Whoa. Alright, as you can see by the title, I know y'all been waiting for like the lashes, the 25mm lashes. I've been waiting forever to do this video because I was waiting on two more lashes, but guess what, they didn't come. And guess what, I felt like a dispute against AliExpress, the vendor. 7 lashes today, the L84 looks like this, but technically it's like this. These lashes are bomb. Like, you do not want to miss that. It was like $2 and $2, like 3, 2, 1, never $1, but you know, it's cheap. It's cheaper. Next one, we got the E80. Imagine that. Imagine with wing liner. I know. Yeah, probably be like, this girl is obsessed. She is obsessed with wing liner, but I tell you, wing liner makes everything. I wish I had time in the morning to do my wing liner correctly, but for sure the things I will never skip is wearing lashes, because I do not have lashes. My own lashes are like, let me bring you closer. When I look up, my lashes, no, let me reformulate my sentence. When I look up, if my lashes don't touch my eyebrows when I look up, I don't want them. And that's on period. Period. The next one is the LD02, and I feel like the LD02 it is like the same thing. It looks like the same thing as the E80. I feel like they're the same. Like, look at this. I really do feel like it's the same, but let's try this. And these lashes also, I wore these, and you see how I cut them like really to fit my eyes. You do not want to, you want to trim the lashes, trust me. So that is LD02. That was the LD02. Next one, I had to put my lashes in reverse. Like, I know this one goes with this one, and this one goes with this size, like you see. So when it's like this, I don't know, so I like to put it in reverse and see which one goes first. That's a little trick of my experience wearing lashes, you know, which I don't have a lot of experience, like less than 2 months or 3 months, but I still know a lot. Okay, we got the E83. It's really big. Like what I was telling you, you need to cut a little bit much. Okay, I will be right back. Okay, like, you see that? You see that? Now it's okay. Now we can play the game. You see how gorgeous it is, like how. But yeah, no, I'm going to say but, like, I'm giving my honest review. Like, nobody paid me to review these lashes, but because of my love of lashes, these lashes are, it looks like a lot better than these lashes. I don't know how they made the lashes, but like I say in my other videos, these are handmade lashes. I think this is also handmade. These are handmade lashes, so clearly they didn't make this one like this one. And I really like these eyes. Like, I think this is always happening to me. I don't understand why. Like, I do not understand why. This is the best. And then you see this. Anyways, but it still looks nice. Okay, so this is the E82. So this is how it looks. And like I said, I don't know if it's my eyes that is made like this, but it's always like the left, wait, you know where's my left hand? Yeah, it's always the left eyes that is like more popping than the other one. Like, I don't know, but I like these lashes. You know, I like these eyes better, but this is like pretty nice. It's pretty natural, and yeah, I like this. Sis, I was waiting on this one. Like, bitch, oh my god, your lashes are too long. No. So yeah, I like these lashes. With that, you know, we love big lashes. We love full big lashes. You know the drill. These are really good, especially if you're doing like a sleek bun, a sleek ponytail, or something like that. It's really good. D10. So now I talk about a lot of these, like, since the beginning of the video. I really wanted to try these, but I already tried these TBH, but they're the best. I bought 3 of these. Just let me clean my eyelashes really. And for the bitches that be like, oh my god, your lashes are too long, your lashes are too long. Well, bitch, you not me. That's not your eyes. And bad bitch life. Bad bitch life. I repeat, bad bitch life is not for everybody. You know. You know. Every dollars I get when people tell me my lashes are too long, I will be like rich and rich and rich and rich. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like, share, comment down below what is your favorite pair of lashes, and subscribe to my channel. We're trying to help your girl get 1K, please. All summer I will be posting 3 videos a week, so stay tuned, guys. Thank you. Bye.